Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to purchase Bitcoin using the MoonPay app. MoonPay is a well-known platform for cryptocurrency exchanges. To start, open the MoonPay app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged in into your account. Once you're on the home screen, you can either tap the Buy button or scroll down to Popular Tokens section and select Bitcoin BTC. You'll see some details about Bitcoin, and at the bottom of the screen, there will be an option to buy Bitcoin. Tap on that. Next, you'll need to select the currency you'd like to use for your purchase by tapping the arrow icon. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to buy. In this example, you'll be using euros, so you can either choose from the preset amount or enter an amount manually. Then tap Continue. After that, you'll need to provide your wallet address. Make sure the wallet address is compatible with Bitcoin. You can select it from your account or enter one from another app. Once you've entered your wallet address, tap Continue. You'll then be redirected to your browser to complete the purchase on the MoonPay site. Here, you'll need to choose your payment method, either a debit card or bank transfer. Now, enter your details including name, date of birth, and nationality. Once everything is filled out, tap Continue. Follow up the final steps, what it says, and you'll successfully purchase Bitcoin on MoonPay using debit card. The Bitcoin will appear in your MoonPay account instantly, and that's how you can buy Bitcoin using MoonPay. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.